All right, we have some big news coming in right here. Spike in India's Omicron cases has been reported. Over 200 new cases of Omicron reported in just the last 24 hours. India's total Omicron tally now stands at 1,431. Maharashtra continues to top the list with most number of Omicron cases, followed by Delhi and Tamil Nadu. 454 Omicron cases in Maharashtra, 351 Omicron cases reported in Delhi, and 118 cases reported in Tamil Nadu. This is a super mutant variant that's really catching on in India now. Unfortunately, we're seeing a rise in cases of COVID-19. Among them, the Omicron variant itself, being the dominant variant, is on the rise. At least 200 new cases have been added in just the last 24 hours, with the total tally now at 1,431. Maharashtra continues to top the list with most number of cases, followed by Delhi and Tamil Nadu. In fact, here we're looking at many states that have imposed curbs only to ensure that large gatherings don't take place and the mutant variant does not multiply. Of course, the favorite spot for the COVID-19 is crowded spaces and places where people aren't maintaining social distancing. It seems like the dominant Omicron variant now only multiplying at such a fast pace. Shreya Chatterjee joining us live for more on that. Shreya, 1,400 odd cases of Omicron that's being reported. We're literally seeing a jump in just the last 24 hours. Take us through the numbers.
Well, absolutely. Nabila, we've been seeing the way the Omicron is affecting across the country. And right now, the tally stands at 1,431. And as you rightly mentioned, Maharashtra takes the lead, followed by the national capital and then Tamil Nadu. What we're also learning, if we talk about the national capital in particular, the number of containment zones have also increased by 8 times because of the rise in cases in the month of December. 102 containment zones right now in the national capital. And definitely there are spree of vigilance that has been put in place, keeping in mind the way the Omicron variant is spiking, especially during the New Year Eve. We saw those increase in cases in the national capital and across the country. We do know that there are regulations in place, including night curfew, but it doesn't seem like that it's stopping the spike at all, with the tally now crossing the 1,400 mark in the country.
Thank you, Shreya, for joining us with those details. But there's a worrying trend here. We're seeing that COVID-19 cases itself is seeing a massive jump here. Let's take you through the COVID-19 figures on the whole in India today.